It's your boy Siobhan here, back with another video, man. And today's gonna be something completely different. We're doing the try
not to laugh challenge.
Yeah, and there is a forfeit. The loser has to drink pepper, like a little bit of pepper.
He's lying.
No.
He's lying.
The loser has to drink peppermint.
Fine.
Yeah. Hey, a little spoon full of peppermint.
Nah, some
Yeah,
real
I
hot
have
pepper.
milk just in case. Yeah. So without any further ado, guys, let's start the video in 3, 2, 1.
Touch it.
Rebecca, what day is today? Thanks. Oh!
Oh, there goes your man.
I'm not gonna help you get him off.
What?
Ow! Drink! I get burned.
I wonder why.
This man just lost the change. He just lost the change, bro. So you know what time it is? It's time for you
Wait, so it's gonna be like
drink
every time we laugh.
the peppermint. Let's get it, bro. Ooh. Scrumptious. Scrumptious.
We should've put up.
He's taking it like a man. I don't know what's gotten into him, but he's taking it like a man.
That's a big spoon. Yeah, really get up and milk.
Yeah. This doesn't look too healthy. How do you feel, man?
Look how many pepper gone.
Alright, that's good, man. I don't have to get it. Just a little bit, man. Just a little bit longer, baby. 3 more dips. Yeah, that's good, that's good. Any last words?
I hate you.
You agreed, bro.
It's your video.
Yeah, that's good.
I want you guys to hit that like button. You need this.
This nigga thought it was gonna be a milkshake, bruh.
Oh, that's bad.
Oh, is it?
Oh, I'm definitely not laughing.
It tastes good?
So bad. Oh.
How do you feel? You feel like you could continue?